it's me, your girl V, coming at you with another video. And this is going to be a video pretty much talking to you guys about how much money I made my very first year on YouTube. I feel like a lot of people don't really talk about this piece of the journey, and I think it's really telling of how real the YouTube struggle is, especially for the first year. I really wanted to kind of show you guys a breakdown of how the trajectory kind of happened for me specifically. I can't speak for anybody else's journey. Everyone's gonna be different. I will say that I had put out a first YouTube paycheck video that I'm not proud of. It is utter crap, and trust me, I know it is utter crap. This video is going to make up for that crappy video. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and let's just jump right into it. I'm gonna show you guys screenshots of when I first started my YouTube channel. I first put out my very first video on January 22nd of 2016 to give you guys some kind of context and perspective. The video is now private because it was just cringeworthy. It is literally super cringeworthy, and no, I am not proud of that video, and it is just, yes, not my best work. I don't know, like, it was just such a bad video that it just had to be privated. Maybe I'll do like a reaction video to it and troll
myself hard.
I want to show you guys January. We're going to break down every month, so month to month, from January when I started to the end of December, how much money I made that month on YouTube. And then I'm going to show you guys a total of how much I made throughout that first year, because I really want people to understand that this is only going to be covering AdSense. I'm not going to be talking about affiliate marketing or sponsorships or any other outside sources of income that I may have. If you guys want a video about that, I can make that video, but this is not that video. This is solely for those curious about AdSense and just AdSense alone. When I started YouTube and I started posting videos, they didn't have the rule where you had to have, I think it's like 1,000 subscribers in order to get monetized and in order to become a part of the YouTube partner program. That wasn't the case when I first started, but I will say that you're really not missing out, and I'm going to show you why. First posted my video, it was already able to advertise on it, and you could see advertisements on it. But for that very first video to the very end of January, as you can see, I made absolutely no money, like nothing. So there is no activity for this month of January because my videos were making probably pennies, not even pennies to $1. They were making absolutely no money. And mind you, my videos in the very beginning, I think probably got like 10 views, maybe 100 views at the most. You can kind of see that because you don't have an audience and anybody watching your videos, there's no one watching an ad for you, so you're getting paid nothing. So that was my first month of posting videos. And then again in February, so the following month after posting videos, and when I first started posting videos, I would post, I want to say almost daily, and even with daily uploads, I was making nothing. In February, again, we have absolutely no money on AdSense because I was making no money. So for the first 2 months of being on YouTube and putting out videos and creating content for people to watch, I was making nothing, like zero, no existence of money. Okay, so first month made nothing, second month made absolutely nothing. The third month, okay, as you can see, we're starting to see a little bit of action here. 1 penny, okay? Not a lot of action, but at least now for 3 months, I'm now 3 months into my YouTube journey, and I am making nothing, literally nothing, a penny. From March to the end of March, I made a penny. Our 4th month, okay, and mind you, I was posting consistently. At this time when I started my YouTube channel, I was doing at the bare minimum 1 video a week, and then I started, like, I want to say I was uploading like 2 to 3 videos, maybe 4 videos a week. With all of this content going out there, in the month of April, the 4th month that I was on YouTube, I made $6.33. Put up here how many videos I had at that point. Yes, $6.33 after 4 months on YouTube. Now in the month of May, it's starting to pick up a little bit. So at 5 months, we're on our 5th month of YouTube content, and I made $10.10. Not even enough to pay for the equipment that I was using or even the Gorilla Pod that I had purchased. I had like a little tripod that I bought from Amazon, and I was using my iPhone at the time to create content, and so clearly not making enough to... Number 6, now it's starting to pick up. So 6 months, okay, we're getting there, we're getting somewhere. I made a total of $33.16 on YouTube Adsense, okay? So 6 months, still not enough to meet the $100 threshold that YouTube has in order for you to get paid. You have to make a minimum of $100 on AdSense for that month for you to get paid. So that's how that works. Yeah, I'm on month 6 and I made $33.16. In July, okay, so this is the 7th month, I made $33.67. We're getting a little traction. August, I started making a little bit more money. So from August 1st to August 31st, I made $58.99 on YouTube AdSense alone. Keep in mind when you guys create content, if you do not meet the threshold to get paid via AdSense, if you don't meet the bare minimum of $100, that money that you did earn does roll over till you accumulate enough for a payout. So I know that can be a little bit confusing for some people. It wasn't until the end of August that I had reached an ending balance of $142.88. After 8 months of being on YouTube, I got my first YouTube paycheck of $142.88, and I'm not gonna sit here and lie, it was the best day of my life, okay? I'm gonna sit here and say it.
That's my opinion!
I don't care. It was $142 that I didn't have before, and I was happy to have them, and it was a good feeling. So trust me when I understand that people want that YouTube paycheck, people want to see that AdSense rolling in direct deposit. They want to have that moment. It was a really special moment. It's kind of like, oh my god, I'm making absolutely no money, you know, doing this for 8 months, pulling all-nighters and doing all this for $142.88. You gotta be very passionate about what you're doing. You have to really, really love this platform. You have to really love creating content to stick it out this long. Kids make more than this. The way usually AdSense works, you have to accumulate your money, and then once you've accumulated, they will pay you on the 21st of the month. It usually hits from either the 21st to the 24th of the following month. It's always like 1 month behind. Once I hit the minimum threshold in August of $142.88, they paid me September 21st. And then after that, you start off at 0. I hope I'm not confusing anyone, but that's kind of how that works. Got paid in September, but now September 1st pretty much starts over. You start back off at 0. So just from September 1st to the end of September, I made $94.63. So I didn't meet the minimum threshold in September, so I didn't get paid again. Again, that rolls over, but I was like literally so close, as you can see, to getting a payout. No, I only made $94. October, so you guys can see from October 1st to October 31st, I then made $166.65 for the month of just October. My videos after 8 months started getting a little bit more traction, started getting a little bit more subscribers, started getting a little bit more views. A few videos were hitting over 1,000 views, 10,000 views. For my personal niche and for the topics of my video, after 100,000 views, that's when it reached that minimum threshold of $100. Now in November was a good month. I made from November 1st to November 30th, I made $381.42, and that's just that month of November. Just for the activity from November 1st to November 31st, I made $381.42, and I think it was around this time that I actually upgraded my camera, and the quality of my video was getting better. Maybe that had something to do with it. And also I upgraded my laptop as well. So the quality of my videos upgraded, because when people were seeing my videos, it was filming out of a potato. That didn't happen, or those upgrades didn't happen till after I received my very first paycheck of $142, okay? Now for December. December is always a good month on YouTube because of all of the ads that are running for the holidays. In December was my biggest paycheck. From December 1st to December 31st, I made $653.61. That was a really good amount and a good chunk for that month. I mean, anyone would love an extra $600. I mean, who wouldn't? In total, for the year, for 12 months of me posting videos consistently, posting on YouTube, learning how to better my content, upgrading equipment, etc., I made a total of $1,438.63 after I had put out 86 videos on YouTube. And so that is how much I made after a year of putting 86 videos out on YouTube. $1,000.438. Okay, guys? You know, the first year isn't so great. Literally starving artist here. I do want to say this is in no way, shape, or form to discourage anybody, but I did want to kind of show you guys that yes, the first few months you're literally going to make nothing. So everyone that's bitching and moaning about the whole adpocalypse thing and how smaller creators are getting screwed, like the first 6 months you're making nothing, and it is proof that you're really not missing out on anything. If anything, just keep creating better content and use the time that you're not getting paid to really improve and upgrade and update your content and learn about your audience and learn what it is that you love to do, what you're passionate about doing, and do that. This is only my first year on YouTube. AdSense changes as you progress. Like, I'm not 100% sure how that even works, how ads work, how all of that jazz works. That's beyond me. This is only the money that I made on AdSense. I think at this time, by the end of December, I had almost hit 10,000 subscribers after a year of being on YouTube. Obviously, subscribers don't equal money. Clearly, we can see that in the numbers. If you guys have any questions, I will try my best to answer them down in the comment section down below. This is only for education purposes. This was just to kind of give you guys an idea, because I really looked back at that old video and I was like, I have to redeem myself. It was utter crap. This is not what's normally on my YouTube channel. This is not the content that I create, but I felt that it was necessary to kind of explain it, and also to give people an idea the struggle that goes into it the first year. If you guys like the video, don't forget to give the video a huge thumbs up. A huge shout out goes to Cass_Aragon. I see you. Thank you so much for checking out the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.